basically do companies like work through this way, send email through code? Like, can you give me just a scenario?
I told you, no, there's a difference that you cannot in the email alert there's no option of the marking to CC or BCC. There's no option.
So what do you mean? Like, what can you explain more? Where do you use email and triggers?
Okay, let's say your status, we are writing the in this trigger on the lead. So let's say our status is change. Okay, hello.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
and we have some email ID present inside a record. I mean, we have the
Mm-hmm.
record and that has an email ID.
Yeah.
Now we want to send an email. Okay, let me give you this small, the explanation from my project. So there, that was the kind of the project, and which you have seen that the system triggers an email. The system sends an email to a person. For example, the you have to submit some documents, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, or you want to the claim your reimbursement. So you have applied for the reimbursement, but the documents are not sufficient. So there's a system in which the approver will mark and comment that kindly provide this document, and as soon as he will change the status to the uh, asked for document. There's a pick list, and where we have value rejected, approved, asked for clarification, asked for documents. So as soon
Mm-hmm.
as you will select for the ask for the document, you will be the assigned I mean the email will trigger, and the email will be the going to the particular person who has applied for the the reimbursement, but he is not responding on a email. So they again system after a few days, system will send an email. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
let's say after 7 days, the system will again send an email.
Mm-hmm.
Then again the person is not the responding. Then the system will be a system will uh, put his manager into CC and will send the email
Mm-hmm.
after the reminder to I mean after 7 days of reminder two. Okay. Now again the person is not responding. So the this will be the the escalation email, and this time the his manager and his senior manager will be in CC. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now you this is the example of CC that we are putting this someone into the CC in the email.
Mm-hmm.
Now there are this this something we for example uh, when you want to the hide a person, that the recipient in 2 and CC should
Mm-hmm.
not know that to whom we have also sent an email. So we will put those email IDs into BCC.
Mm-hmm.
So all these things we we do with the I mean not with the the what the Salesforce has provided the email alert, because there is no option of two. I mean not two, we have the option of two, but CC and BCC option we don't have.
Okay.
Okay, so then we have to write our own the code, our logic, and then we have to send a email. For this we have a single email message. Okay, uh, so can you go to the browser
Mm-hmm.
and into new
Mm-hmm.
tab.
Okay.
We have to search Google search. So new tab.
Oh, Google search. Okay. All right. So what do you want to search?
Right.
Download
Single email message.
single email message.
Yes. Salesforce.
Okay.
Okay. Now open the first one.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. So see, the single email message extend email and inherit all office method. All base email class methods are also available into a single email message object. Email sent via single email message count against the sending the organization daily single email limit. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
if you will go down, then you will find out the methods as well.
So basically, is it similar exactly to how email alert is?
It is similar to that, but because our purpose is they're not getting solved by that, so we are adopting the use of the single email class, single email message.
So basically, sorry. So basically, it's how does this work? Like I'm not. I don't understand why users would need to go this direction, and they have like what do we call it? They have email alert and Salesforce through workflow or process builder.
I told you, no, the one of the example is that there is no option of CC to mark CC and BCC.
Oh, so and in here you have the ability to do CC and
Yes.
BCC.
Yes.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, so Salesforce opened the trigger access to be able for you to do more of a BCC and CC from a trigger just as an email alert. Okay.
Yes. I can give you my the example when I was a fresher. So
Mm.
that time I got a task to the to I mean I have a business requirement with me, and I was supposed to make the code make the functionality so that at a certain condition the email should uh, go to the desired recipients. So I was also trying to the anyhow save myself from writing the code, so I did it from the workflow. But later on I realized that there is no option of CC and BCC, so I write the custom code. And this is the the single email message actually helped me.
Okay, so this one just like yeah. Mm, code developer console.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will do in a two phase. One, we will be sending a email to a single person, that is the on the in two. After we will understand this the solution, then we will go for the CC and BCC options. Okay.
Mm.
So this trigger will be for the before insert, and if you want to update the record, then before update as well.
What do you mean update the record for email?
For example, you have the updated the lead record, and you want to make aware that okay, your record has been updated with this status or this. For example, you're working on a lead, right? You're working on lead.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to the make the owner aware that your record has been updated, so that should be on the be available on email as a record, because email officially, the email we consider as a the official document, right? So
Mm-hmm.
whenever you will update the email I mean whenever you will update the record, and email should go to the owner that your record has been updated with this value.
Mm. Yeah. Okay.
Now So write down before insert, comma, before update.
So what do you want me to do? Like, do I use F trigger
No,
is
no, 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 no. Control
okay.
Z, Control Z,
Okay.
comma. Go inside the bracket. Go inside the bracket.
Mm-hmm.
After before insert,
Mm-hmm.
after before insert, give a comma. Before update. Okay. Now, come at line number 5.
Comment in line number
No, no,
5.
come at, not comment, not comment. Come.
Come.
Yeah. Now,
Mm-hmm.
if sorry for
Mm-hmm.
lead, make a variable colon trigger dot new.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Same thing we are doing. Nothing new.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yep.
The condition is that if our status uh, change to working contacted. Okay. So give
Mm-hmm.
a curly braces. If L dot, yeah, now equal, copy the value from the pick list. Working contacted.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, paste it here. And because our email should go only when we have the email ID, right? Otherwise,
Mm-hmm.
it should not. So no, inside the bracket, yeah, and two times.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, L dot email
Mm-hmm.
not equals to null.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now bracket close.
Mm-hmm.
Curly braces start. Yeah. Now go to the Google.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And go to the tab single email messaging. Go to this tab. No. Already we have opened.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then copy this. Wait. Copy this namespace. Messaging. The first one. Messaging.
Mm-hmm.
Messaging dot
Mm-hmm.
and write S. It will give you option. Yes. So single email message. This one. Uh, the single email message. The fourth one. Or last one. Take the last one. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Then give a variable after a space. Give a variable.
Mm-hmm.
Then equal.
Mm-hmm.
Then copy the whole thing. Messaging or single email message.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and paste it here.
Mm-hmm.
Then bracket.
Mm-hmm.
No, not two times. Single time. Bracket, only bracket. Yeah. And put a line terminator outside. Outside this bracket. Yes. Now give a enter.
Mm-hmm.
M, the variable which you have used, M
Mm-hmm.
dot. Now write S. S. Set. Yeah. So wait. Now write S. Yeah. Write S. E T.
Mm-hmm.
Then capital T. Yes. So set to address. It is coming at the third option. Choose this. Give a enter. Yes. So now uh, it's inside this. Come inside the bracket.
Mm-hmm.
Come inside the, yes. Remove all the stuff inside the bracket. Now write new.
New.
No, go to the console. Yeah. New and space
Inside the bracket.
inside the bracket. Then write string.
New string.
Okay. Then just on a same key where we use the curly braces, we have a different, the bracket, square bracket. Use that.
This one.
No.
Oh, FAU.
Yes. So put this whole bracket after a string.
After a string.
Yeah.
Here.
No. Just after a string, inside the bracket, inside the bracket.
Do I put this one inside this one?
No. Wait. Let me take the control.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Let me write the code for you, and then I will explain you. L dot email. Okay, then I will explain you. Don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
We will set a subject. M dot set. Why we are not getting options? M dot, yeah, set subject. Set subject. Okay. So this will be the subject line.
Mm-hmm. What is the one before it? The m dot set address.
This will be the email which we have on the our lead record. So this will send an email to this.
Mm-hmm.
Regarding lead status working contacted. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So This is sufficient. Now we have the address, we have the set address. Now we will make a body string body equal h1 dear customer,
Mhm.
adding one, give a paragraph, your lead with lead id colon string close. Oh, mistake, mistake. This one
Mhm.
plus l dot owner id. Okay. Okay, so this will be our body.
Mhm.
If we want to add some more line, so we will what we will do body the string we have already defined the variable string body at line number 13. So now
Mhm.
for the next we can do is body plus is set to working contacted, then close this
Mhm.
paragraph. Okay. Uh, Thanks. Here break line. Oh, break line comes with this thing. Uh, Sales team, uh, sales team okay. Then we have the m variable dot m dot set html body. Yeah, so in this html body we will pass our the string variable
Mhm.
body this one. Okay, now okay, then we have the uh, l dot add. No. So we have done this. So uh, okay. So let's make a list of this list list messaging dot email lst email equals to new list. Okay. Then we will add this uh, into this thing dot add, and we will add l here. Okay. Then the line terminator. Oh, l line terminator. Okay, then bracket close. Then this is also a for loop should be small. Then this will come here. Then this after this. Okay, now we will send a email. Messaging dot send send email. Okay, so list we have created this one. Okay, we are getting errors. So what error we are getting? Method does not exist. Line 10. Method does not exist or incorrect signature. Void a single email message. Single email message. We are getting this error. Okay, so SINGE. Okay. Uh, why we are getting the messaging dot single single. It is not giving me option. Single. Uh, here I'm doing single email message. So this is the same thing. Yes, it is the same thing. Single email message. Oh, we have not used new here. That's why. Okay, now let's save the code and let's see what errors we are getting. Now at line number 8, method does not exist or incorrect signature, void add lead from the type list. So we have created a list. Okay, okay. So this will come M. Solved. I will explain you what I have done, and I'm really sorry if you will be thinking that what I'm doing.
No worry, it's fine.
So let's test our code first.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the lead.
What's the limit for the body of the email?
Body character body. There is sufficient actually. I have not checked the characters of the body limit, but that is sufficient. I have not faced any sort of the problem in the body. So now give the email ID first. Give your email ID.
Mm. Okay, so what do I need to do here to test it?
First give the email ID. Email. No, not this, not here. In the body, this one. This one. Let me. This one.
Oh, here. Okay.
Because we have put a mark now that until unless we will have the email, this will not work. So your email ID so that you can receive an email
Mm-hmm.
and change the wait. Okay, no problem. Now change the lead status to working contacted. Okay, now check your email if you have received the email. I hope you should get an email in your
Yeah,
Gmail.
I got it. Yep.
Got it? Okay.
Yep. Okay. So basically, okay, your lead will